This is Algebra 2, Unit 4, Lesson 14, the last of the notes for Newton's Law of Cooling. All right, so the last sentence on here is algebraically determined to the nearest tenth of a minute when the temperature reaches 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, from the previous work we found, our equation was 130 times 0.91 to the t plus 70. That was our equation. But we want that to reach 100, so we want this to equal 100. Okay, so what we need to do is solve this for t, because we want to go to the time. All right, so t is an exponent, so we're going to have to use logs. So the first thing we're going to have to do to solve this is to get the t by itself. So I'm going to move the 70 first, so we're going to minus the 70. So we get 130 times 0.91 raised to the t is equal to 30. Okay, and then I want to divide by 130 to get rid of this. And that gives me 0.91 t to the t is equal to 30 over 130. Well, the zeros are going to cancel out, so this is just going to be 3/13 when you divide that out. Okay, so now we've got the exponent by itself. So now we have to do a log. All right, so we take the log of both sides. Log of 0.91 raised to the t is equal to the log of 3/13. Okay, now t is an exponent, so t has to go out front. Let me put it over here. So it's going to be t log of 0.91 is equal to the log of 3/13. Okay, so to solve this for t, I have to divide by the log of 0.91. Okay, so this is what I want to put in my calculator, is t equals log of 3/13 divided by the log of 0.91. All right, so I'm going to use my fraction key in my calculator, or you can do this on Desmos, it's fine. All right, so it's going to be the log, oops, forgot to do my fraction, alpha y equals, so I'm going to do it with a fraction, makes it a little easier. So log of 3/13, 3 divided by 13, or you can just put in the undivided or unreduced fraction, 30 over 130 is fine. All right, and then on the bottom denominator we have log of 0.91, log 0.91. So if you don't use the fraction key, just make sure that you close your parentheses when you do the division, or else it's going to screw your answer up. Okay, this equals 15.54, so it said to round to the nearest tenth. So t is going to be approximately 15.4 minutes. Okay. All right, so that is the rest of the notes for Newton's Law of Cooling. You can start the homework now.